YouTube? Firefly15 here. Just got back in from work, so I'm going to do a quick pocket dump for EDC Cooperative. Like I said, I've just got back in from work, so it's a bit work orientated-ish. But anyway, let's start off with a back pocket. Handkerchief there, from Firefly15. Very good handkerchief, if I do say so myself. Also in the back pocket, got this little patch that we got in the post yesterday. So that's been having some pocket time. And then we've also got recycled firefighter Sergeant wallet. It's a very good wallet, I'm sure you know. But like I said, folks, I was at work, so it was quite dark when I left this morning. So torch, S1 baton by Olight. Not rechargeable version though. I'm pretty gutted about that. But you never know. Can buy a new one day maybe. I've also got this little Picaroon tool. It's a little fish, that little bottle opener. So hopefully that'll come in handy a bit later on. Knife wise, James brand little Elco. If you've seen these, well, you might have seen them quite recently. They come out. They have been quite popular. It's a very small knife, but I think it's very elegant, very well designed. So that's the James brand. Keybar, just a basic key in this one. It's my backup keybar, would you believe? Customised by myself. I went on a flight in November, so I couldn't take the knife insert. So that's in my other keybar. Car keys, nothing exciting there. And Leatherman Wave. I picked this up picked it up from someone on Facebook actually, and it's been very useful. So check out Leatherman. In fact, check out Leatherman Wave. It's a very nice one, that. Anyway, folks, that pretty much concludes my pocket dump. I obviously have my phone with me, but I am using that to record this video. So, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, find us on Facebook at EDC Cooperative. Keep an eye on the store, folks. There may be some new stuff coming soon. Who knows? Thanks a lot. Peace.